Okay, so now we're on page 11 of the booklet. We're going to focus on drawing the actual linear graph using a table method. Okay, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to do 2 examples, and I'll expect you to go ahead and do more. In each of the following, complete the table to satisfy the given relationship between x and y. So x in this case is the input, which is independent variable. Y is an output, which is a dependent variable. Then plot the points in the table on the x-axis, provided you join this using a ruler. Then calculate the gradient by selecting 2 points on the straight line drawn. Okay, let me do one example and show you. So there's the input, which is -4, -2, 0, 1, 3. What is the output? The output is the y value. So the equation is given that y is equal to x. If y equals to x, and we know that x is -4, what is y? Y is -4 also. Okay, because we take that x, we put it there, then y is -4. Also, we take that x, we substitute it there, we get that y is -2. We take that x, we substitute there again, we get that y is 0. And similarly, y is 1 and y is 3. Then now join the points. So we join the points. X is -4, y is -4. X -4, y -4. That's the point there. Then x -2, y -2, x -2, y -2. That's the point. X 0, y 0. That's the origin, which is that point. X is 1, y is 1. X 1, y 1. That's the point. X 3, y 3. That's the point. Okay. So we need a ruler to connect this. Now I'll use my ruler to connect the points. If I use my ruler to connect the points, there it is. Now the last part is to calculate the gradient. So to calculate the gradient, use any other point you want to. So let me say I'll use this one. This point is 1 and 1 because x is 1, y is 1. And that point x is 3, y 3. So I'm going to go 1, 2 blocks and 1, 2, 2 blocks to get there. So I went that direction, which is 1, and I went that direction, which is 1. That makes sense. So what is my gradient? My gradient is -1 over -1, because 1 unit's down this way. It's actually 2 units, sorry guys. It's 2 down, and 2 down. Okay, so this is -2 and -2, which gives me 1. That's the gradient of this line. Okay, let's look at the second example, which is similarly, we're going to do this with 2x. So I'm going to write it down here. Y is equals to 2x. So when x is -2, 2 times -2,